Hello everyone, this is W. Sam from Stroll Productions, and today we're going to do a desktop tour, not really, but we're going to do a what's on my tech-ish thing. So, this is my computer screen. This is my, why is that glitched? I don't know. Oh, I fixed it. Alright, the computer that I used is an Asus UL80JT. I'll try to pull something up. UL80JT A1. It's not the best computer, but it's definitely a good computer, especially with my heavily modded version of Windows 7. I mean, this is obviously not native Windows. A lot of it is custom. So it looks like this. It's nice. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. See, it says here Slim Design. The graphics isn't that good, really, or at least I don't know. But it has 4 gigs of RAM, which is nice. i3, which is normally an i3 would be fast, but this is a slow version of the i3. It's like whatever that means. I don't know, but it makes it. It's not cheap either. It's $900. It's almost $1,000. $100 away. All right. Yeah. So some stuff. But this is a computer that I use. It's not the best, but it's not crappy either. It's good. It's very usable, especially it's actually pretty fast. All right, now let's do stuff my taskbar, whatever. So on my taskbar I have, this is glitching. It glitches, weird. So on my taskbar I have the Chrome app launcher. Oh yeah, I use Google Chrome for my default browser in case you haven't noticed. And sorry, something happened there. My recording got paused. Anyways, so in case you haven't noticed, I use Google Chrome as my default browser. And instead of opening a million tabs with all my stuff in it, I download Chrome apps from the Chrome Web Store, and I throw this app launcher in my taskbar. I actually have 2 accounts. That's why you see that little profile face down in the corner. Sorry, I keep on pausing the recording. Anyways, this profile thing, this is my default WDB Salmon account. If we go to Google. Damn it. Okay, if you go to Google, you can see this is WDB Salmon. It says WDB Samson, but that's supposed to say WDB Salmon. Not really. I don't care. Whatever. When I set up my account, it was that, and I'm too lazy to change it and whatnot. So, I am a heavy Google user. I use Google Docs, YouTube, a lot of stuff. So, it's glitching badly. Or maybe that's just a screen recorder, I don't know. So I have all my apps here. I have 2 accounts, school and WDB Salmon. I have all these apps. I have all the Google Doc apps except for spreadsheets because I don't use that offline ever. The web store link is here. Google search, I don't know why that's there. Gmail, I don't use it because I have a mail client, but I'll get to that later. YouTube is Cleaner app, and Wikipedia offline, and calendar. I don't know why I use that, but it's there. So for school, I have Chrome, obviously, Web Store, Docs, Drive, Slides, Sheets, Search, Gmail, Wikipedia, YouTube, just stuff. All right, and also on my taskbar, here's YouTube, Clover, and Windows Media Player. So Clover is basically, well, first, YouTube is self-explanatory. It opens up the YouTube webpage in a new window, and you can't get out of it. If you click a link, it'll boot you into, why is this my school account? Why? I don't know. But it just boots the normal YouTube webpage in a separate window. Clover is Windows Explorer, just with a tab. Chrome tab. Oh, what the hell am I doing? There's so many features of Google, what the hell? There's so many features of Windows that I haven't even known for, like, the 5 years that I've used it. Just the other day, I discovered that you can hold tab and alt and do this. It's great. I don't want to go into there. Oh, what the hell am I doing? But it's great. So, let's close this. It's basically just, Windows Explorer, but with tabs. It's great. So instead of opening multiple windows and snapping side to side, you can just have tabs, just like Chrome. Okay, and then I have Windows Media Player. So I'm obsessed with Owl City. You might know that if you have seen my parodies. All of them are from Owl City songs, although I do plan on doing some non-Owl City parodies. So I have most of his songs here, including the new ones. This is from 2003, and I have some 2014 songs just came out this year. Yeah, these. But so that's that. This is okay. Whatever. This isn't pinned here. It's just my screen recording stuff. So now let's go into the start menu of Google Chrome. This is my personal Google Chrome, Google Docs, YouTube, sound card settings. I used to change it around a lot. Okay. Mailbird. This is my mail client. I'll show you it later. My school Google Chrome, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word, which I rarely use, but in the case that I need the formatting, such as columns, I will use it over Docs, but I do use Docs way more. Alright, now onto software. Mailbird is my mail client. Email client. I don't care. But I have two accounts, and switching between two different instances of Chrome or switching between the thingy, drop-down thingy, is kind of annoying. So I just use a mail client, a separate mail client, separate from Google or web browser or anything, and it's nice. So I have two accounts right here. What's nice about Mailbird is it's more I don't know, but it's local, so I can access it offline, which you can't really. It's not easier. It's easier to do than with Gmail. You can download Gmail app, a Gmail offline application with the Chrome Web Store, but it's just not as easy. And also, it's local, so I can make it boot up and stuff. But what's also great about it is that how it handles message chains, so conversations, message chains, whatever. So this is like a recent conversation school account, whatever, with 10 messages in it, and it sorts it quite nicely. But with 10 messages, it's not really a problem. Say this conversation or whatever has 46 messages in it, and this is horrible. But so instead of displaying all 46 messages, it shows the first two. No, it shows the last two, the most recent two, and then the first email, and then it just has a thingy in between that says show whatever amount of messages there are, and you click it, and everything pops out, and you can scroll down. It's a really long list, and it's great. It shows you everything, and it's awesome. It's awesome. I don't know what that is. So let's move on to the other programs on my computer. So my most heavily used program is definitely Google Chrome. Windows Chrome. Did I really just say Windows Chrome? Screw me. But Google Chrome, I use it for everything, including the Chrome apps, and as a web and as a word processing suite. I don't care. For video editing, I use Cyberlink Power Director, although recently I haven't been doing much editing because there's not much to edit in a Let's Play video. Which a lot of people complain about because it's an easy way to get popular on YouTube, but you know, it's fine. So I do play some games, and I do create some games. If you've seen Squarephobia or Simpleton's World, then you know. I use GameMaker for platform games and Unity for 3D games, although I haven't made any full-fledged 3D games yet. I am working on a flight simulator, but you know. So here's Mailbird. I use Firefox as a backup browser. I can always log into my Google account on Google websites, and that works as backup browser. I'll have all my stuff with me, just in case Chrome doesn't work for some reason. This is, I am learning Chinese. This is some Chinese learning software. I do some music composition, so I have this. It converts PDF files to MIDI files, so I can edit the notes, and it's nice. Paint.net is my Photoshop alternative. I'll show you it. Damn it. Alright. It was meant to be like a more advanced version of Paint, but it turned out to be a Photoshop alternative, so that's great. MuseScore is what I use to compose music when I need to type up, well, not type, I don't know. Compose music, I guess. Let's see. Screencast-O-Matic is my screen recording software. Is right here. It's running right now. Skype, I use Skype sometimes. Solid Edge is a 3D, oh my god, 3D modeling software. Paint.net, don't interrupt me like that. That's rude. Solid Edge, I use it to do stuff. Terracopy is like a copying alternative. When you copy huge files, it's nice to be able to copy them faster than with that annoying green loading bar. Is this clock working? I feel like it's slow. It's not. I don't know. Okay. I have WinRAR, my file extractor. I have the free version. It's not free. I don't know. It's confusing. I do have Office. I don't use it a lot, but it's there. What am I doing? I do have some bloatware, I guess, but I don't feel like removing it because I don't see it doesn't take up too much space. Asus Live Update, ETD. Well, it's not bloatware. That's just my trackpad stuff. Fast Boot, which is from Asus, and I guess that's probably bloatware, but I don't know if it works or not. I won't remove it. What else is there? Not much. I had some Adobe software. I had Photoshop and Premiere, the trials of them, but they slowed down my computer when I tried to do stuff. No, they didn't, but like if I had like an instance of Premiere running in the background, it just slowed it down a little. So Paint.net is a Photoshop alternative. Not really. It's not as full-fledged. But this is a corrupted file. It's just annoying. I was designing a flyer and then it just corrupted itself. Horrible. Let's see. What's a project I've been working on? So I make some concepts. Can I just have Paint.net files? Thank you. So let's say this file right here. It is a stuff I've been working on. So what's good about it? It has layers. It's still very easy to use though. See, I just like went and drew a gigantic sash across this whole thing. That looks ugly. I can just undo it. But it has a lot of features that regular Paint doesn't. It has all these tools that regular Paint doesn't. Magic, stuff. It has layers. It has all this stuff. History. I don't use history ever. What am I doing? Okay, I don't care about the settings right now. But it's nice. You can open multiple stuff. It's pretty full-fledged. It's not quite a Photoshop alternative, but it's a full image editor, and it's nice. Don't save it, please. I don't think I made any positive changes. Alright, so that's been my desktop / what's on my tech tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys later.